Yeah. I think that one went down in this hole. Got him. Right here.
Which two in there?
I like to know where my other shells went.
You want to go that way?
Yeah. For that when it was me, you, Holly, and the kids, and we was over there, and that one ran right across the open field right in front of us. I was like, there he goes, bow!
Right here,
That's where that one jumped. You jumped it right there. And I was right there, and I shot that way at it. I thought it was going to run right into me, but I seen it look up at me, but it kept running at me. I was surprised it did. I'd watch right there because I seen something right up there earlier. Hell no. Fucking something got a geese. It's a goose. See?
Ew.
Looked like somebody shot it in the face. Me and Cody jumped a bunch of ducks out of this creek over on the other side the other day. He was out here. That was a dead goose.
That was a dead goose. Wait,
Right here. I think maybe.
What?
I just seen something.
Here's something. It went that way. It went that way again. It's
Right there. Shoot, 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 quick. Too late, too late. You ain't gonna get it now.
Yay!
You got longer reach than I could. There's no way I'd hit it that far.
Alicia seen it, but she didn't catch
I heard it right there, I thought. Now,
Yeah, we did too.
I never seen it though. They're so open. It's crazy how you can never see them.
Exactly.
That camera's still there.
Yeah.
That one over there is gone now. Wonder why they took that one. There it goes.
Get it, Dad? Get it? Yep.
I missed him, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Towards you. In the creek. What do you do? Run out in the open out that way?
Yeah, he ran it right out on the opening. It went right up here.
What the hell?
What?
The fucking possum in that tree.
Possum. Where?
That. Right over here. It's in the hole over here.
Oh. Right here. Got him. He ran off. Fuck. He was smart. My first shot, as soon as I shot, he jumped to the side. I never seen a rabbit do that. But he went in right here and he went straight somewhere. He might be laying here somewhere. Did you get him? It might be the same one I hit. Was he wobbling? Was he wobbling? Did he limp a little bit?
No, he was running perfect.
Was he? The one I hit that one. I don't know where he went. Did I get him?
I don't know.
I don't.
know I've seen it running.
I got trees there, and I just barely had a little bit of a. I could barely see him through them trees. I don't think I got him. I think I missed.
Your shit is loud as fuck, nigga.
That's why I don't want to shoot up there by the house. There he goes. Get him. Get him, Trevor. Shoot him.
Hold on.
Here, let me do it. Yeah, that log's in the way.
Move our team.
Hey, come here.
I got it. Close your eyes or your ears. He's dead. He's right there. Go right there. Yep. Well, we're tied. No, it's 3-4, ain't it? Because you got one just now.
Yeah, you got him in here, and then
His legs broke. Yeah.
back here.
Yep, that's what
You got
happened.
him right there too.
Yeah. You want to put him in there or you want to carry him?
Okay.
There you go, Jack.
Yeah. I'll let him go. Fuck it. They can rebreed. Here, you want to put it in there? Oh shit, watch it. That might fall down. I ought to get up here and fix that.
I was imagining finding a gun out here somewhere.
I found a BB gun down at Deer Creek one time. It was one of them daisies, but it was a pump, like Cody's. It pumped right there.
Yeah, I like them.
And I broke it. I wish I never did, because they might be worth some money now.
You can take them.
I don't think they make them anymore.
You can go get some money out of them. You see an entrance where I can get back in there?
All day.
I might be able to there.
Where?
Through here. I think that's where I went in one day. I tried to clear some stuff out of there, but it's too hard. I need a machete for that.
Machete.
Yeah, big sword or something to start whacking everything. Make a path through the middle, it'd be nice.
Or a chainsaw. You haven't
There you
seen
go.
Yeah, I got too many brush piles in my way.
Chuckie, let's go this way. I'll try to do this, but he's not pulling a stupid move if he comes out here.
Yeah, but I only got from about here to that wheat stuff up there, that wheat field looking stuff right there, right in front of us, about 20 feet. Anything farther than that,
Where did he go?
down that way.
The first place he was at is good.
Well, here's where I shot him.
Yeah,
What, yesterday?
yeah.
I hear a squeak.
Mouse. Probably stepped on it. Another buck rub. That's super old though. See the difference in the collar?
Yeah.
That's how you know how old they were.
Was that Dad?
Yeah. As I say, grab by the neck.
I know I got him.
Got a hood. Got a flesh rider.
How's it going, fellas?
Hey, just a heads up, we're about to drive these woods.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
You guys deer hunting?
Yeah.
Are you?
Wait, do
Okay.
you
We're
guys do deer
gonna push
cameras?
this whole big set of woods, and they're pushing towards us this way.
Okay.
So I just want to give you guys a heads up.
Okay.
Are you guys
Alright.
deer hunting?
No, a rabbit.
Oh, okay.
You know what that is?
What?
That white thing?
No, what is it?
Guess what it is?
Snow.
Nope. Guess what that is?
Something for deer?
Yeah. Guess what it is though?
Food?
What kind of food?
That's the kind you eat?
It's a salt lick. A liquid. You chew on it. That thing's been there for about 10 years now. That tree or that chair.
What's wrong?
It's gonna run that way. Watch out, watch out. Good shit. Did he go down in the hole? I think he fell down in the hole. Somebody hunting up here. See the corn right there? See the pile of corn right there? To the right? I think they just put it there not long ago. It's grain corn. It's the type of corn that they chop up and they make chips out of this kind of corn out here. Chips? Yep.